Alright, we back at it again. September 23rd, 2025. After finding out some stuff, some really heavy stuff, family history, I've been holding it in, trying to process everything that's been going on and process the shit that I actually found out. Definitely not going to speak about it on here, but this is definitely well needed. And I'm just waiting for my little fishy friends to show up. Here's a couple of them. They're slowly showing up. I need that foundational cleansing again. They're slowly coming. I just had to get my mind right. There you go. There you go. Hey, babies. Clean me up. Clean me up. I release all things that don't serve me. All energetic misalignments I release with love. After finding out the things I have found out, I definitely need to do it. Releasing family with love, man. Even if they hurt me in a huge way. Physically, financially, spiritually, and emotionally, I have to release. So, here I am. Just waiting for the family to do the job. Good old cleaning session.